OneKnockTV. You can't find star read. One of them idiot here, man. And I work here no do OneKnockTV. And some of them can work them do. Yeah, man.
Yes, the one and only Big Wayne. How you doing?
There, now go and hold it, you know. Like a gully mullet, you know. You hear that?
So, you know all the things that already. This is the second time here. You know,
yeah, man,
the first time
TV.
they sell off. So, you know, said Twins are Twins just dropped the mixtape. What are your thoughts on it?
Well, the mixtape, everything alright with it and everything, but it's the last part, but them make it look like Big Wayne and Kill when I'm family. But I just want the fans them and the people them just know say are acting like nothing real like that car. Nobody at all me than kill a friend or a family. You hear that? And it's the part about wicked auntie. Every man have a auntie where him have problem with. But any man kill him auntie are wicked. Say every man we me know of, every youth we me know growing alive must have a auntie, even one auntie where him have a problem with, and him have a next auntie where him love to him heart. I saw me see the ghetto grow. I saw we grow in the ghetto. But me I never hurt my auntie or kill a family. You hear that, fun? So you don't get it twisted and don't get it wrongfully. We never would have killed one of our family. Them. You hear that? Bingi Roy, alright.
Yeah, but a lot of people are curious and they don't really know if you are the one who's actually speaking in that mixtape that Twin did.
Alright, big man thing, I know we are talking to them. You hear that? But our character and our image them I use at the set time. You see me? So I don't want the people them get that wrongfully neither. And I'm me talking and script them out. Twins have twins I do them thing, you see.
But them pat it down like real. Like almost so like a you, a lot of people.
Yeah, everybody think a Big Wayne in a them and ray, see me. But you're not in a them.
But nonetheless you still move with the flow, because I know that you still use some of the songs that are in all those volumes.
Yeah, and we have to use them in our image and our voice.
So apart from the Twins of Twins new release, what do you have in the pipeline?
I have a new single releasing soon and Square One label, Square One Records. Yeah, producer Leary. You don't know, but I just want the people them look out for that single like name. Tell me why me them always a pray. You understand why they don't just let me be? Cause people ever get up and just pre people for nothing, pre people wrongfully. A man say Big Wayne, oh Big Wayne, I don't like them boy, them oh boy Big Wayne racer. But it have to build a song. Tell me why me them always a pre. Why they don't just let me be. Some of us want the people them and the fans them look out for that single here. It dropping soon for catch a summer. So by about next week or it out for the summer, yeah, it out. I'm sure no it go out. Big up Square One Record. You see me?
So is that the only song you'll be focusing on for the summer?
Yeah, that's the single I'm want to shoot out for the summer. But me have enough more thing in my pipeline, enough more work, enough more stuff for drop. Producer them boy have enough more thing for me for drop. Consequence Records have a single for drop for me. Big up J Production, Justice. Big him up every day. You don't know the boss that J Production. You know there's something they see the people. So I will fool them for know. J Production. Don't take that chain as simple.
So the J Production link, how did that came about?
Okay, the J Production link came about. Big up Roach. May Roach so rest in peace. Roach. One day Mr. Roach and Roach a Big Wayne. Don't see nothing, you know. I have a bridge in a company island soon, you know. I go do some real work, you know. I say a lie. You see me? Said time Mr. Roach. And I see Roach with Justice now, and he make me meet Justice. First time that me and meet Justice, and him say to Justice, say, see Big Wayne here, you know. You see me? And Justice goes so now, boom, overproof with him. Dear me and Road Munga, big up your damn self, cause you help start this too. You see me, I say you have a lot to do with big great career. You hear that? Munga and a rebel, just give Munga the rhythm, overproof rhythm, and say Munga must find a song feed. And set time Munga call me in the studio and say, where I say, you have to do something, you know, man. So you mean anything in a Munga to make the thing happen, you know. Munga say, yeah, hear me. Listen to the CD. I'm listening to and pick out 2 parts. I'm say, you check some man a 3 grand follower. Them for know some in a way brand unless it real. And them for know that. You see me? So I go so and shot. Yeah, I will shot on the rhythm and just like it. Just come back again and say, me and future fambo. More alcohol. You see me? Just forward back again and say, Big Rain and Rhino collaboration. So the thing look good. And me approach it as an artist. My thing go good then for a young artist. Cause Munga on the voice with a young artist where him no know, or a young artist just come link him and say Munga and everyone want to do something. Munga wanna do that. You hear that? So me as a young artist, me get enough likes and enough like a privilege more than some young artists and some new artists. Cause my voice way Justice Production, big up. My voice way good production, big up. My voice way Consequence Production, big up. And it goes on, you see me. So we just there, I do the work and I do the thing. And this me do not do nothing more people. Me not do drugs, me not do gun, me not do badness, me not do nothing else, me not do extortioning and music me do. It's all about music. And this me do a song me sing. If you check my Instagram, every day me in a studio, I try to find it, I try to do something, to find that way there, under pipeline me, for maintain big way and no say. Big Rain, a Big Rain, you see me? Yeah man, not no more.
So you mentioned a lot of names right there. So based on those collaborations, right? How has it improved you as a young artist?
Yeah, them collaboration then now, they make me feel good as a young artist, you know, say, wow, me do something need Keep Rich, me do something need Future Fambo, me do something need Munga and Rebel. You see me? I may have enough more tracks where me do hench up and them thing there and do it thing in the road. You see me? But just want people just know say Big Rain is an artist. Big Rain is not about just slang and Twins of Twins mixtape. You hear that? We are do the thing people. We have songs out there. We have songs on Amazon, iTunes. You name it. They are out there. Cause we voice a big label round here. Big label, J Production, good production, Consequence, you understand? Label with name, label with power. You hear that? But we just need that body there to make Big Rain more than what Big Rain is right now. You see it? Yeah.
I like the way you said that. Now, you being on social media, like, cause you're very active, how are fans reacting to your singles and so forth?
Yeah man, I'ma say my little handful of fans when I have out there, me give thanks to them, I listen Big Rain. And you know why? Them can't tell me say me no artist and them can't tell me say me no do the thing. Cause more time I just in a studio and just voice a song. I say alright, I go test the Instagram. I'ma test the Instagram. I see the views on it and people I tell comment and I say Big Rain that one are bad. Run with that one here. You see me? So them thing they give me courage. Them thing they build me more. For no say, one day make them go and talk. I will find a song where them have to listen. Yeah, so I just hit that one now. Not no more. You see me? We just there and do it the real way. And the music we say, we don't say not no more. No negativity, no bad vibes. If you see me and me and an artist, you see, yeah, I saw me I do the thing. I just music. Daily, day in, day out, music. Yeah.
So your music is on various platforms such as in iTunes and so forth. How well are they performing?
Yeah man, sang them myself on iTunes man. Sang them at the good on iTunes.
So
yeah.
Where would you say your biggest following is?
My biggest following is upon iTunes. Yeah, people are looking to Big Rain and I listen Big Rain. Yeah, Ghana, big up the whole of Ghana, big up the whole of Gambia. Yeah, cause them place they listen Big Rain. Yeah, it's not about Jamaica alone. So man gonna see Big Rain and feel like, man, artist, yeah, we don't have it wrong. We loud a Gambia. We think them a playing a Gambia. We think them a playing a Ghana. Yeah. So we're glad for know say even the motherland and outer world I hear Big Rain and I know about Big Rain.